Hello all, the standard iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will use the A16 Bionic chip, while the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will use the A17 Bionic chip. iPhone 15 includes A17 Bionic chip, promotion display, 48 megapixel main camera, periscope lens, USB-C port, new colors. All four models will have a 6.1-inch or 6.7-inch OLED display, but the Pro models will have a promotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The standard models will have a 48 megapixel main camera, while the Pro models will have a 48 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultrawide camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The Pro models will also have a titanium frame and a new periscope lens for up to 5x optical zoom. All models will have a USB-C port instead of a Lightning port. The standard models will come in black, white, blue, and green. The Pro models will come in black, silver, titanium, and blue. Thank you.